Okay, can someone work on city streets and not just private parking lots?
Advanced summon is the precursor to full self-driving. Notice how the Tesla Model 3 is using its right turn signal here. Also, notice how it veers to its left in order to avoid hitting a parked car. Now, it stopped to avoid hitting me standing in the middle of the road. Once I get out of its way, Model 3 continues driving forward. So, the answer to the question, can Tesla's advanced summon be used on city streets is yes, as long as the street doesn't have any traffic because the car drives extremely slow in summon mode.